Hi guys! Today we are going to make some flowers from a foam. First, take the foam and cut it into circles. Now, let's color.
What color Sandy like?
One blue.
Sandy want blue? Yeah, okay. Now, Sandy color blue. Okay, here you are. Sandy say,
Thank you.
this color foam in this paper. Okay? Great, yes. And now Sandy take it out gently. Wow, one flower. And now we make another flower.
One blue.
Oh, blue again. We have one blue. Sandy, do you like orange?
Yeah.
What color Sandy like?
One yellow.
Okay, here you are. Sandy say,
Thank you.
well, welcome.
Done.
Okay, done. Wow. Do you want the flowers more beautiful? Okay, we need to cut in part. Tap inside the flower. It's okay, it's okay. Oh, why this flower has low leaves? We need to draw the leaves. This flower, okay? Sandy print the leaf. Wow!
And now, surprise! Our beautiful flower is ready. So easy, so colorful, and super fun.